Welcome to Equatia. Today's geometry challenge. 2 quarter circles inside a 4x4 square. Your task is to find the area of their overlap, the shaded lens. Pause for a moment and try it yourself. We have a square with side length 4. At the top left corner, draw a quarter of a circle with radius 4. At the bottom right corner, draw another quarter of a circle, also with radius 4. The shaded lens is the region where the 2 arcs overlap. We want its exact area. We will use a simple subtraction idea. Let S be the area of the square. Let Q be the area of 1 quarter circle. Let C be the corner region outside the quarter circle but inside the square. So C equals S minus Q. Now look at the square as 3 parts, the lens in the middle, and 2 identical corner regions, each equal to C. There is no leftover area, so the lens area L equals S minus 2 times C. Let's calculate the area of each part. The square area S equals 4 times 4, that equals 16. The quarter circle area Q equals 1/4 times pi times r squared. With r equal to 4, that is 1/4 times pi times 16. So Q equals 4 pi. Therefore, the corner region C equals S minus Q. Since S equals 16 and Q equals 4 pi, C equals 16 minus 4 pi. Return to the shortcut. L equals S minus 2C. Substitute the values. L equals 16 minus 2 times the quantity, 16 minus 4 pi. That is 16 minus 32 plus 8 pi. Combine the terms. L equals 8 pi minus 16. So the exact area of the shaded lens is 8 pi minus 16. Numerically, that is about 9.13. Did you reach 8 pi minus 16? Tell me in the comments if this subtraction method felt intuitive. If you enjoy Olympiad-style puzzles and clever geometric tricks, subscribe to Equatia for weekly math challenges, logic riddles, and more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next challenge.